this video, we are going to learn how to make Ganesha using rice and kidney beans. So let's get started. To do this activity, you need to have a printout of Ganesha picture in A4 size paper, or you can also draw the same on A4 size sheet. After that, spread glue on Ganesha's body and you need to sprinkle. To spread the Fevicol, either you can use brush and evenly you need to spread it all over the body of a Ganesha, and slowly you need to sprinkle rice on it. Once you are done with the whole body with rice, you need to make outline using Fevicol tube, and one by one you need to put kidney beans to complete your little cute Ganesha. Here you go, your little Ganesha is ready. Complete this full picture by pasting kidney beans, and your rice and kidney beans of Ganesha's activity is done. Ta-da! If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and share.